A text box is a flexible tool that can be used to insert text at any location in a Word document. It can be very useful when creating documents such as letterheads, business cards, invitation cards, certificates, flyers, banners, etc. Hi, I am Casey Kamat. In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert text box in Word processing documents. To insert a text box in Microsoft Word document, do the following. On the Insert tab, under Illustrations group, select Shapes. From the Shapes drop-down list, locate Text Box. Under Basic Shapes, select the text box icon. Or, on the Insert tab, under Text Group, select Text Box. From the drop-down list, select Draw Text Box. The pointer changes to a cross. On the document space, click and drag to insert a text box. After inserting the text box, you start entering text on the text box as you desire. You can also adjust the size of the text box as you want using any of the 8 handles. Drag the text box and position it where you desire on your document. Select the Layout Options button and choose how your text box interacts with the text around it. Notice the different text wrapping options. You can also visit Shape Format under Arrange group and select Wrap Text and choose any of the text wrapping options from the list. Select the text box or its content and apply necessary text formatting as explained in Formatting Text tutorial. Select the text box on the Shape Format tab under Shape Styles. Select the Text Format Shape dialog box launcher. On the pane that appears on the right, select Fill and choose the No Fill radio button to remove fill color on your text box. To add fill color, instead of no fill, select any of solid fill or gradient fill and fill the shape with your desired color. You can add color transparency using the transparency bar. On the same pane, select Line and choose the No Line radio button to remove line from the text box. To add line color, instead of no line, select any of solid fill or gradient fill and fill the shape with your desired color. You can add color transparency using the transparency bar. Change line width using the width options and the other line effect options as you desire. The text box has preset designs that you can insert into your document to create attention. To use the preset design, do the following. Go to the Insert tab. Under Text Group, select the text box. From the drop-down list, you can can select any one of the preset text box designs. The selected text box is inserted into your document. Follow the steps discussed above to customize your text box. When you are done, position your text box where you really want it to be. Text box is especially useful when adding text within the margin limits. It's a very important feature in Microsoft Word that professionals do not overlook. I believe you understood how to use it in your documents in this tutorial. Please ask your questions and suggestions below in the comments. Thank you for holding on. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this tutorial.